Before commissioning a Wi-Fi data logger Testo160, the following must be done. First, the pre-fitted wall bracket must be released. To do this, please insert the unlocking tool into the small aperture on the right edge. Push the logger up gently at the same time, then remove the protective strip from the batteries. To replace the batteries later, simply remove the cover from the battery compartment and insert the new batteries. Finally, reattach the cover and slide the logger back into the wall bracket. The unlocking aperture is on the left-hand side of the Wi-Fi data logger Testo160 IAQ. The other steps are identical.